Your liver silently fights for your life every single day, filtering toxins, balancing hormones, and turning nutrients into energy. But when fat builds up, it starts crying for help. The good news, you can reverse the damage naturally. Today, you'll discover the top 5 powerful foods that help detox, heal, and regenerate your liver cells, backed by real science. Fatty liver disease or hepatic steatosis is now one of the most common silent epidemics worldwide. It affects over 25% of adults globally, and in many cases, people don't know even they have it until it's advanced. The main causes: too much sugar, processed food, alcohol, and a chronic stress on your metabolism. Your liver has an amazing ability to heal itself if you give it the right tools. So, let's explore the top 5 science-backed foods that can help regenerate your liver and flush out fat safely. Think broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and kale. These green varieties contain sulforaphane, a compound that boosts your liver's detox enzymes and increases glutathione, your body's master antioxidants. Here's why it matters. When your liver processes toxins, it creates oxidative stress. Sulforaphane helps neutralize those free radicals, preventing cellular damage and fat buildup. A 2016 clinical study found that broccoli sprouts extract reduce liver enzyme levels and improve markers of a non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. In short, cruciferous veggies act like internal cleansers, helping your liver metabolize fat and regenerate healthier cells. Garlic is not just a flavor booster, it's a metabolic healer. Its active compound allicin enhances liver enzyme activity and helps flush out heavy metals like mercury and lead. Studies show that garlic supplementation lowers triglycerides, LDL cholesterol, and liver fat in the patient with a non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It works by activating the MPK pathways, which encourage your liver to burn fat instead of storing it. Just 1 to 2 cloves of a raw or lightly cooked garlic a day can support your body's natural detox process, but always go easy if you have a stomach sensitivity. Beets contain betaines, compounds that help your liver process fats and reduce inflammation. They support a process called methylation, which your body uses to detoxify harmful compounds and protect DNA. A 2018 study found that beetroot extract improved liver enzyme profiles and reduced fat accumulation in people with a metabolic syndrome. The deep red pigment, betalains, also act as a strong antioxidant, protecting liver tissue from oxidative stress. Fresh beet juice or roasted beets 5 times a week can be a game changer for your detox routine. Green tea is rich in a catechin, especially EGCG, epigallatogadin gallate, which helps your liver metabolize fat more efficiently. EGCG improves insulin sensitivity, reduces inflammation, and lowers liver fat accumulation, all key factors in reversing fatty liver disease. In a one randomized trials, patients who drank green tea 12 weeks showed significant reduction in liver fat and oxidative stress markers. Just remember, moderation is key. Too much green tea extract in supplements can be harsh on your liver. Aim for 2 to 3 cups of a brewed green tea daily instead. The golden spice of India, turmeric, contain curcumin, a bioactive compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Curcumin improves liver enzyme balance and helps repair liver cells while reducing fat deposit and fibrosis. In fact, a 2021 meta-analysis showed that curcumin supplementation significantly reduced ALT and AST levels, two markers of a liver injury. It works by modulating the NF-κB pathways, lowering inflammation and oxidative damage. A dry liver disease, for better absorption, combine turmeric with a black pepper or a fat source like olive oil. Note that you know the top 5 foods. Here's how to build them into your lifestyle for maximum regeneration. Adapt the Mediterranean palate. Focus on the fiber-rich vegetables, olive oil, legumes, and fish. This diet pattern has been shown to reverse liver fat and improve insulin sensitivity. Cut out fructose and refined sugars. Sugary drinks and desserts overload your liver, converting excess sugar into fat. Reducing fructose intake can quickly lower liver fat accumulation. Stay hydrated with lemon water. Lemon juice enhances bile fluid and helps your liver flush out toxins. It's not a miracle, but it supports your natural detox pathways. Move every day. Even light exercise like brisk walking improves liver fat metabolism and reduces inflammation. Consider milk thistle. This herbal extract has been shown to protect liver cells, reduce oxidative stress, and improves enzyme profiles in a non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Remember, no single food or supplement will detoxify your liver overnight. It's about consistent, balanced choices, and as always, consult your healthcare provider before making major dietary or supplement change. Even with the best foods, your liver can't fully regenerate if you're running on stress and a poor sleep. During deeper sleep, your liver performs its heaviest detox work, clearing out metabolic waste and balancing hormones. Chronic stress, however, floods your body with the cortisol, which triggers fat storage in the liver cells. Prioritize 7 to 8 hours of quality of sleep. Minimize late night eating and practice relaxation habits like meditation or deep breathing. These habits lower oxidative stress and improve liver enzyme balance. Remember, true liver healing happens when nutrition, rest, and comfort together, creating the perfect internal environment for detox and regeneration. Your liver is the hardest working organ in your body, and it never stops trying to heal you. Give it the right nutrients, and it will return the favor with more energy, better digestion, and a strong immune system.